Okay guys, so today I'm so excited. I'm going to be finally sharing this bedroom transformation with you. Now before I get into it, I just want to quickly show you what it looked like before, some of the process of it, and then I'll show you the reveal of it. Now the first part isn't going to be long, it's just a quick overview. So first up, let's have a look at how this space is currently. Now, as you can see, it's very boring, it's very dull. It's pretty much a blank canvas, which is ideal for me because my brain when I walked into the space was just with ideas. So once I chose the wallpaper, it all kind of went from there. So we painted, we wallpapered, and we cleaned, and then we just accessorized. So without further ado, let's go on and see the final product. We take a moment to appreciate all the light in here. You have the light on the ceiling over here, and you have full panoramic views all the way over to Duke Beach, all the way over there. It's just insane. But anyway, we started off with this wallpaper. It has this beautiful deep blue color and then these gold birds on top of it. So that's kind of where the color scheme came from. And then we painted all the woodwork in this dark blue as well, just because I didn't want the doors to stand out against the wallpaper because it's such a patterned wall. I wanted to keep it a bit more subtle and subdued. And then I just picked a softer grey then just to kind of tone it all down and painted all the woodwork in the dark blue. And then there's a TV here. It might be a bit big for the room, but I couldn't change it. And then over here we have a little kind of seating area. Just, you know, when you're getting ready in the morning, you can have a look at your outfit, and then there's a little spot to sit and put on your shoes. So it's really easy. Most of the stuff is from either Zara Home or Easy Living. These side tables are from Easy Living Interiors. They're just gorgeous. They have this beautiful herringbone pattern on the front of them. I think they really grounded this space because I think with the dark colours, I wanted to keep the wood dark as well, and also something that would contrast the flooring. Because if I tried to match up like this kind of oaky colour with the furniture, it would clash. So I think the darker colour units are really nice, and they have also like a gold kind of finish on the legs and on the handles. And then look at these beautiful lights. These are from Dunn's Home, and I saw these by chance. But one day when I was in town, I was looking for ones to go on the side, and I seen these in Dunn's, and I just thought they were the perfect addition to this space. And then we have this beautiful ceiling light up here. I just love how fun this space is. It's put together very well, but like it's not serious. It's a lot of like fun shapes and textures and patterns, which I think is really cool. It's kind of a bit vintage, mid-century. And then moving down to the floor, we have this beautiful rug from Zara Home as well. It has this vintage look and has like pinks and some of the blues and greens in it, and it's just a beautiful piece. I just think it really grounds this space. I went for the biggest size they had, just because I wanted to cover as much of the floor area as possible, but obviously not overtake the space. So it kind of sits centered with the bed, kind of keeping this its own kind of area and having a walkway then kind of around it. We went for the simple all white bedding, as I always do. I just think it's the easiest kind of thing to do in a space. It just, everything goes with it. It keeps the space fresh. It's easy to change around, like if you want to change the throw in the future or change out the cushions in the future, it's just easy to maneuver with. I got these beautiful shearling cushions as well. I just love these. I just think it is so cozy, and it's perfect for autumn time as well. But I do love these. And then we have these beautiful prints from Desenio. You know, I already love Desenio. I use Desenio in like majority of my projects. I just think for the quality to the value of them is just no one else can compete. There's such a selection. So we went for, this is the first one we picked, this vintage one, and then this one was just to complement it. But my client, like, that was the one that she liked the most, so we went with that one, and we built everything off that then as well. And then I think for curtains, it's important to kind of keep it simple. I kind of go with normally a grey curtain or a solid colour curtain, or something that's easy to match with. Just because, you know, curtains are generally big, pricey. So especially if they're blackout and thermal and, you know, all the works. And these ones just have that kind of herringbone pattern in it as well. Just kind of tie in with the side tables, and everything kind of works hand in hand together. It's very relaxed, I think. Nothing's too precise. And that's one thing I like about this space, because the shape of it isn't square. It is very relaxed and easy. That's what you want in a bedroom, is to be relaxed and calm, and a space to get away from everything else. And you know I love a good eucalyptus plant, so we have this one in the corner here just to add like a bit of drama over this side of the room. I just love having areas in a room or space where there's a mirror and there's pieces beside it, so when you take your outfit pictures, the background looks good and your foreground looks good. Okay guys, that was this space. Let me know what you thought down below. Do you like the wallpaper? Do you not? I love it. I think it's my favorite wallpaper I've ever put into a space. And it's just a bit different from my previous space, so I'm just excited about it. But yeah, let me know what you thought. Don't hold back. I can take it. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know all your thoughts down below. I am obsessed with this space. Like, I cannot even put into words how much I love this space. Like, I am enviable. It's enviable. I'm so jealous I don't get to sleep there and live there, because it's such a beautiful space. So let me know what you thought down below, because I'm excited to hear your opinions. And I know you have a lot of them. So, you know, don't hold back. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell, because I may have another room transformation coming before the end of the year. So you don't want to miss that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.